Hi, it's Mami here from Marvelous Beauty World. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I've got my client here. Today we'll be doing a strip eyelashes. She's gonna introduce herself.
Hi, my name is Hawa.
Yeah, thank you. So keep watching. Don't go anywhere. It's very simple. So how to do your strip eyelashes like a professional. Keep watching. I'll show you how to do it. Thank you. Yeah guys, for our strip lashes we need like a pair of lashes here. So I've got one here. So if you are curious to know the name, so that's the name of the lashes here. So that's my eyelashes here. So you need a black eyeliner. So the eyeliner is really good because it's gonna help you like to hide the lash band. You need a mascara. So I've got my mascara here. So it's gonna help you like to blend your natural lashes with the false lashes. You need a pair of tweezers. So I've got my tweezers here, and then you will need a glue. So if you are a beginner, so make sure you use like a clear glue. So it's gonna help you like there is no mess. Maybe if you mess around, so if it's black glue, so it's gonna show like over the place. But if it's a clear glue, so it's not gonna show it nothing. But for me, I'm gonna use the black glue. So guys, here I am bringing out like my eyelashes out of the box. So make sure you bring it out like from the corner. So I've got one, so I'm gonna let it rest here. So I'm gonna do the same process on the other one. The eyelashes are out. So the key is measure your eye with the eyelash. Make sure that it's the right shape with your eyelashes. So now I'm just measuring my client's eye, so to know if the eyelashes is okay for her. So as you can see, it's just perfect for her eye shape. So if it was too long, so I will go ahead and then trim it a little bit. You can just trim it, you know, so you can get the scissors, you trim a little bit. So if you want to trim, make sure you trim like from outside, don't trim from the inside, because if you trim from the inside, it's gonna look weird and it's not gonna look nice. Make sure if the eye band is too long for the size of your eye, you trim it a little bit and then you put it on. So I'm gonna put the glue and I will show you how I'm gonna put it on. Okay. You just do the same process here. So you put a line here as well, offside, and then a little bit of mascara will do before your lashes. So it's gonna help like to blend the natural lashes with the strip lashes. I'm just putting a little bit of mascara on my client's natural lashes. I did put a coat of mascara. So this is gonna help us to blend the lash, the strip lash and our client lashes. So that's me putting. So you get the one you put the glue first. So it's here. You just get it with the tweezer. Yeah. So I'm just gonna put like here. Just make sure so you put it like in the middle. So you put in the middle like this. Put it in the middle and then press it down. So make sure you cover like all the parts. So see how I did it. So you put in the middle and then you go with the tweezer and then you press it down. So you do the same process, you repeat the same process the other side. You see how it looks like. So you can put your eyelashes on like a pro by yourself, you know. Just make sure that you put the lashes first in the middle and then you press it down with your tweezer. So if you don't have a pair of tweezers, you can use your fingers. So you press it down with your fingers like this. Yeah. Do the same process again. Middle. Press down. And then corner. You can use the finger so to make it set properly. So there is no problem with that. Using your finger to press the strip eyelashes on your natural lashes. So you guys, the reason why I did this video because a lot of you guys requested for it, and then myself when I started wearing my strip eyelashes, I used to struggle. That's our lashes done. Yeah, so you can put it. It was very simple. and nice and very precise. Yes, so you can open your eyes, darling. Yeah, there you go. So she has her lashes on. So I hope you guys you like the video. Please subscribe. Make sure you use a little bit of glue, because if you use too much glue, so it's gonna go bad. Maybe the glue will be everywhere. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. It was Mommy here from Marvelous Beauty. Love you so much. We'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye. Love you. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Bye.